guys, what's up? What are you doing? Just in the garage, working on the bug, you know. I'm gonna give a shout out to my buddy at Precision Sheet Metal and Fabrication. Man, hooked me up today, did me a huge solid. Call them if you need any flanges, or I got all my flanges made there for my throttle body over there. Probably see that. He made this emblem here for me about 15 years ago. Did a fabulous job. He did this emblem over here. Oh, where's my light? Not prepared. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Is it down here? I don't know. Well, I think you've seen the other emblem in previous videos, but right now I'm working on getting this all tinned to fit and stuff. But anyways, back to Greg over at Precision. He bent this oil bracket for me. When I have the exhaust on over here, the exhaust hits the bracket, so I had him bend it up for me. Yeah, he did a fabulous job. Awesome. Sick. But yeah, he did an awesome job. Hooked it up. Did really hooked it up. But I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put y'all in here for a minute in the little tripod jam and start putting some of this stuff together. Hope you can hear me. Oh. Find my light. Here it is. Found the light. But yeah, I'm gonna put this in real quick. In here just for mocking it up purposes. Not really. No oil coolers in there, nothing. hold on. It happens. Whoa. Sorry about that. Hold on. Technical difficulties. Check your service providers for solutions. No, but check it out. Let's sit like that. Or maybe the hose will come out and go in front of it. Sit like that up in there. I'm pretty stoked about that. I gotta go to Home Depot tomorrow and find me a nut for that stud on the back of the filter. I might put a little stone guard around it so it don't get hit by stones and stuff. But yeah, Greg at Precision Sheet Metal Fabrication did an awesome job bending this for me. Sick. I'm stoked on that. Now hopefully he'll clear the turbo. I'm gonna put all that stuff on right now. But hold on, I'm gonna put you back in the tripod.